In this class we will learn about the SolidWorks interface and some key options for developing projects quickly and easily. Let's get started. Note the initial interface, where we have access to some menus, commands and panel, through which we can configure the settings of the software. We fix the menus through this button. Through the File menu we can create and open files, and we still have a list of files used recently. This list can also be accessed by typing the letter R of the keyboard. In the View menu we can define the toolboxes that will be visible in this initial interface, and other features, such as the task pane. In the Tools menu we access several tools, we can load add-ons, and even by clicking on Options we can modify the options of the program. For example, in General, we can modify the language used for menus and features. In Default Templates we can define where the templates will be accessed. In Backup/Recover we can set backup options, choosing the time interval and location to save the automatic copies. The settings made in System Options affect all SolidWorks files. Clicking on Reset, all modifications will be discarded and the default settings will be applied. We click Cancel to exit the box without changing the options. In the Help menu we have access to the program's help, as well as tutorials, news, updates check, license, information of the installed version, among others. The icons on this bar provide quick access to the main functions of the software and can be changed as we will see below. Let's start a new part file by clicking on the new icon, choosing Part and clicking OK. Note that we now have access to many tools and a graphical interface for project development. Also see that the task pane has tabs, and clicking on one of them, the tab is extended and we have access to several features. We can pin it through this button. Using the File menu and the Open option, we open a file created in SolidWorks. Then, through the Window menu, we will rearrange the windows in order to show all the open files. We click on the Tile horizontally option and see that all open files are shown horizontally separated. We finished this lesson, where we started using SolidWorks, making the first settings, navigating through the menus and getting to know a little about the interface.